Example 1.2 in your first unit, the question is the moon subtends an angle of 1 degree 55 minutes at the baseline to the diameter of the earth. What is the distance of the moon from the earth? Given that the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. This is always constant, and let us move into the solution of the problem. What is it they have given? Angle theta of the moon from the earth is found to be 1 degree 55 minutes. So it is 1 degree 55 minutes. So I have to convert the entire term into only minutes. So for that, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So I have 1 degree 55 minutes, isn't it? So 1 degree I am converting into minute. 1 into 60 plus this 55 minutes as such. So on the whole, 1 degree 55 minutes is equal to 1 into 60, 60 plus 55, that is 115 minutes. Theta value, I'm going to take it into radians instead of degree. So to convert into radian, I have to first convert all the whole term degrees into minutes and then minutes into seconds. So now I have theta is equal to 115 minutes. I have to convert that into again seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So for converting this 115 minute into seconds, I have to multiply this 115 with 60. So it is 115 into 60 seconds. If you have double dash here, it is 60 seconds. So to convert seconds into radians, I have to multiply this term by 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radians. This is for conversion of seconds into radians. See, 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. This is how we convert degrees into minutes, minutes into seconds, and then seconds into radians. So if you multiply on the whole, you get theta value as 3.34 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians. Now we have the theta value, and they have given that the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. So in the question they have given that the moon subtends at an angle of 1 degree 55 minutes at the baseline to the diameter of the earth. That is, the moon subtension angle, this relates to the diameter of the earth. So we know that the radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. As it is related with diameter, you have to find the diameter of the earth. As you know, diameter is equal to twice the radius. So diameter of earth, let it be b, and it is equal to 2 times of radius. So radius they have given, it is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. So it is 2 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. I am going to just have it as such and include it in the calculation as it is. So this is all the part that is given, that is angle and diameter. I have given the conversion part. Then what is that they have asked us to find is the distance of the moon from the earth. Relating distance, theta, and one more diameter, you have a formula as to be x is equal to b by theta. X is equal to b by theta. You have the value of b, we have the value of theta. Directly just substitute the value and find the x. So here x is nothing but the distance. So x is equal to b by theta. B value is 2 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 divided by theta value is 3.34 into 10 to the power minus 2. So first we have get the 10 to the power terms on one base and remaining on the other. So multiply 2 into 6.4, it is 12.8 and 3.34 as it is, and then I brought this 10 to the power minus 2 to the numerator. When it comes to the numerator, it becomes plus 2. So it is 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 2. So add up the powers here, it is 10 to the power 8. 12.8 divided by 3.34, you get it as 3.83. So the distance x of the moon from the earth is 3.83 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Thank you.